Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to add an open app button to your profile. So for this, let's open Botfather and start. If you don't have a bot yet, create a new one. Type /mybots and your bots will appear. Select the bot to which you want to add the open app button. After that, select bot settings, then select configure mini app. Next, enter the URL of your mini app, like my link is https://htmlhero.online. I'll add that and send it. Your app button will be added. Once you've done that, open your bot. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. If you want to create a clicker bot like Hamster Combat, I'll add the video link in the description so you can check it out. Please let me know in the comments what topic you would like for the next video. Thanks for watching. Guys,